Using AI in SEO writing can streamline the content creation process. We'll show you how. First up, let's learn how to generate SEO-friendly blog topics using AI. Open the AI Topic Generator on the AI Content Assistant. Input the primary keyword or the content theme you are going after, and click Generate. The AI Topic Generator will suggest a list of content topics that have the potential for high SEO value. You can select the topics you like, and click Add Topics to Project to create new content tasks with these topics under a project. With your topic ready, the next thing you have to do is create an SEO brief, which will lay the foundation of your SEO article. Open the Content task and click on Generate SEO Brief to get started. Specify your content topic or simply enter the primary keyword, and click Generate. The AI-generated SEO brief will be ready within seconds. Complete with suggested keywords, questions to answer, references and other parameters. You can edit and modify the brief as well. Want to do some keyword research? Narrato's AI Keyword Generator will make this simpler. Navigate to the Keyword Search AI tool on the AI Writer tab. Enter your primary keyword, and click Generate. You'll get a list of AI-generated keywords, along with average search volume data for each keyword. As a next step, you can add keywords from your research to the brief. Click on the little edit icon on the SEO brief. Now add the keywords and click on Add. You can also specify the keyword count for each. These are the keywords you just added to the SEO brief. With a well-researched SEO brief ready, you can start with the content writing process. Here's how you can use AI to speed this up. Initiate content generation by clicking on Generate Content with AI. You'll find it within the SEO brief and also on the Content task page. Select how you want to generate the blog article. You can either generate it using URLs or documents, or by simply specifying the topic. Now choose if you want to include the suggested questions from the SEO brief. Click on Continue, and an AI-generated blog outline is ready. You can adjust the article length, change the tone, and even specify links to be added to specific keywords. Scroll down, and you'll find the AI-generated blog outline. You can add, remove, or edit any headings if needed. Once you're happy with the blog outline, hit Generate. And your AI-generated blog article will be ready within seconds. Besides generating text, the AI Long Blog Article Generator adds relevant stock images and videos to different sections of the article. It will also give you a feature image to go with the post, a meta title, meta description, and a social media post too. After generating the initial draft, AI tools can help refine your content too. You can use the AI Image Generator to create unique images. Want to make improvements or changes to any content sections? The inline AI assistant gives you options to improve, shorten, simplify, rewrite, summarize, and expand text on the editor. Or make custom changes with the Ask AI option. Try Narrato AI for SEO writing and dominate search engine rankings.